G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie Graham. Welcome to another Landscape Contractor Magazine test drive, and we're here as per usual with my good mate Andrew Tullico. Hey bud.
Jamie.
Good to see you, mate. Hey, look at this beautiful yellow beast here, mate. What do you want to tell everyone about this awesome Cub Cadet?
Well, it's the Pro Z 972 SD.
Perfect.
Designed for slopes like we've got here behind us.
Okay, cool.
Hence the dual rear wheels, big
perfect.
footprint.
Yep, perfect. Extra stability and whatnot, I guess.
That's it. You can mow in areas where previously you wouldn't have been able to with a conventional zero turn. Awesome. And it's zero turn.
Yeah, that in itself is pretty unique, isn't it? Awesome. And is it more for the stability when running across the hill?
Well, that's it. You can actually do cutting up to 25 degrees along the hills rather than have to go up and down.
Perfect, mate, perfect. And what are some of the other cool features that are on board?
Well, a hefty 7-gauge deck, reinforced with 7-gauge material as well.
Wow.
Full air suspension seat, proper air suspension seat. It's air ride, so it's nice and comfy.
Well, mate, they all sound awesome. Why don't we actually get you to jump in right now, and we'll get some cool footage of you doing your thing, and then we'll come back and have a chat and see how she feels.
Righto.
So Andrew, she looked like she absolutely powered along the hill there, and zero turn was right, turning on a dime, right?
Zero turn on the slopes, which was a real bonus.
It literally was turning on a dime, wasn't it?
That's it, and good feeling when you're not sliding around all over the place, which you would have been on a...
The stability was obvious for you in the driver's seat?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Making those zero turns on the slope,
Yeah, right. And you think it's just that extra width that's really making it that much more? That's where the stability's coming from?
Well, I suppose so. The front wheels are weighted as well, so it's it's a heavy machine.
It's more stable, it's more steady. Perfect. And what did it feel in terms of power? Do you know what's going on with the Kawasaki back there?
Yeah, well, that's the FX 1000. It's 35 horsepower, so plenty of grunt for this size 72-inch cut. So it's awesome. It's a beast.
It is a beast, mate. It is a beast. So who would you see being perfect for a machine like this?
Well, councils doing stuff like this. This is council property. You're doing them a favour. Golf courses, contractors are doing large areas, anything with a slope, or flat ground as well, obviously, that just rips along. Nearly 20 k's an hour, I think it cuts out.
Perfect. And I saw you changing the deck height there a couple of times. How simple was that to change?
You've just got a pin, you drop into which height you want, and flick of a finger up and down with the deck, so you don't have to use your foot. So, and it's fast. Some of them are really slow when they creep up, but it's quite quick.
And what was the actual handling like? Did it feel heavy? Did it feel light? What was
light? Well, it's four-wheel steering and power steering, so it's just like in your car.
So you're not even feeling that extra weight to make it stable on the hills?
Not at all.
Awesome, mate. So any other features that sort of jumped out at you that you wanted to mention before we wrap things up?
Well, steering wheel's adjustable. Just flick the lever.
So even my big long legs would fit in there.
Yeah, that's it. Goes back as well, so you should be right.
Plenty of leg room. Well look guys and girls, thanks so much for tuning in for another awesome LCM tough test. We hope you enjoyed the Cub Cadet, and I could definitely see that Andrew had a good time driving it. So make sure you check out Andrew's review in full in the next issue of LCM. Till next time, make sure you stay really safe on site, and we'll catch you soon.